Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make frosted gradient background in Canva. So let's start with it. So before starting, make sure you subscribe to the channel so it will motivate us to make new tutorials for you for absolutely free. So we will be choosing Instagram post as our canvas. Okay, so let's zoom a bit so that you can understand the effects which I am making in a better way. So we will be only using this image for our future purposes, but right now it is not required. Okay, so let's start with the first step. So which will be going to the shapes here in elements, and we will choose the round tool. Okay, let's make it bigger and we'll make it red. Duplicate it, bring it here. We'll make it green. Let's make it a and duplicate it, bring it here, make it slightly bigger, and this will make it as yellow. Duplicating it again, and this time we will choose blue. So we are choosing these four colors, and these are the four basic colors for this tutorial. But if you want, you can also use any type of other colors for your project or for your design. And now we'll go to background and choose a simple color, which is this sky blue color, and we'll just download it. And now I will just upload it again on Canva, the downloaded one, and I will click on add page, make it white, take this image, put it here, and we will go to edit image, and for this I will be using Liquify. Click on see all, and we will click on wobble. Okay, so after the effect gets set here, we will click again on here and increase it to highest one. So as I said, you can use in Liquify option any of this effect, but for this one I am using wobble effect, and click on apply. Okay, so all changes are saved. So I will click again on edit image, and this time I will click on adjust, increase the contrast a bit, increase the saturation, and increase the blur to highest to 100, and also the X process as per our requirement. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just bring it to the edges by holding this key using the mouse, and I will just set it here. And now if you have a pro account, you can just visit in photos and write frosted glass and choose any of the image you like from here. But if you don't have a pro account, for them the solution is you go to uploads, and you can find, as I have mentioned previously, that I will use this image. This image is downloaded and is a PNG file which I will share the link, And also many of you wanted to know that what are the devices and accessories I use in for making all the designs. So all will be listed in the description. If you want to check those out, what the laptop I use, what's the mouse that I use, all the specifications you will find directly on my description. So I will just use this, I will make it bigger. And I will decrease the transparency as per my requirement. So this one looks good in 29, so I will keep it saved. So sometimes you will find that when I click the outside, this is the design which I am getting, but no worries, you will just click the undo button and you will get the same effect here. Just download it and you are ready to go. So this is the tutorial. Hope you liked the design, and we will be happy to help. If you have any other queries regarding this tutorial or any other tutorials, you just mention beneath the comments and I will be happy to help you out. Thank you, and please subscribe to the channel so that you can check out more of our tutorials.